What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring you guys an affordable eye makeup tutorial that you can use during the winter, during the fall. Profusion Cosmetics sent over a holiday PR package and I'm just so excited for it. I've actually never used Profusion Cosmetics. To be honest, I didn't even know it was a brand. You can find it at Target apparently, and I actually don't even know if my Target carries it. I've never heard of this brand, and they contacted me and they were like, we would love to send over your holiday, like our holiday collections, and I was like, heck yeah. I am so excited today because I used one palette on my eyes and wow. But they sent over their Mixed Metals palette, which I did use today as well. I used the highlight, if you're wondering what highlight I have on. It has a highlight, a blush, and then it has like neutral kind of rosy gold type of tones. Chestnut Eyes palette, which is again beautiful, beautiful palette. Has some beautiful shades in here. It has this beautiful like red burnt shade. It has like this teal, and I'm so excited to try that out. They sent over an eyebrow product kit and then a lip kit, which is again beautiful. It's like a red shade. The thing I was most excited about was this bad boy right here. This is their Confidence palette. This is their holiday edition. I've swatched most of these colors and they all are beautiful. They perform very, very well. As you can see on my eyes, they are super pigmented, and I didn't even need to put in a lot of effort to blend them, which was amazing. Apparently they have a lot of like these palettes out, and I'm gonna get some because this was $10. I will have all of the links for these down in the description box so you guys can check them out for yourselves. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just, when I get like a PR box from like a brand new company or like it's a brand new products, I always do videos on them. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you guys can get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. You guys can find those links down in the description box as well as somewhere around here. I don't really know. So if you guys are curious to see how I achieved this very affordable eye look, then let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my face, and I'm going to use the Smashbox primer water in the So Chill Coconut. I'm almost out of it and I'm so sad. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over my face. So the first primer that I'm going to go in with is the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer, and I really love this stuff. I just pour a bunch of this on my hand, and then I just go ahead and pop it all over my face. The second primer I'm going to go in with is the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I just like to take some on my finger, and I like to apply this to like my T-zone area, like right here. So I'll just take this and I'll just put this here. I'm going to use a mixture of two foundations. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way and the YSL foundation. I've been loving this combo lately. I'm just going to pop this all over my face. I'm going to use the Sigma Dual Fiber F50 brush. I'm going to try this out. I actually saw someone applying their foundation with this and I really want to use it. So I'm going to try it out and see what it looks like. I'm also going to go in with a beauty blender, but I really wanted to see what this brush does for me. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a fan of this Morphe Sponge. This is the first time that I've been using this. I used this for a couple of days. Like, I feel like it just wipes away my foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6. And you guys already know that this has been one of my favorite concealers, so we're just going to stick with it. This is my second one. I'm also going to pop this onto my eyelids, like I'm going to drag it up there. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend this in with my sponge here. We're going to see. Now I'm going to apply some powder underneath my eyes so I can set it. This is a Bare Minerals Luxe Performance brush, and I just like to take some of that and I just like to pat that underneath my eyes. It's a great brush for just like packing on the powder. Just the the angle of this brush is amazing for powder. Alright, for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Bahama Mama bronzer. This is my go-to bronzer. As you can see, it's very well loved. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe M527 brush. It's just a really large powder brush, and I love it for bronzing. So I'm going to go ahead and just sweep this over my cheeks. And then of course I'm going to pop this onto my forehead to give me some color back into my skin. So I'm going to be using two Makeup Eat blushes today. The first one is in Infatuation and Chivalry. I just like to take this Sigma Spotlight Duster brush. This is the F37. And I just like to tap my brush into both of those, mix them together, and then tap them onto my cheeks. So for the eyes today, I'm going to be doing sort of, I need to stay away from the oranges, but oranges are just my jam. I can't help it. I'm going to start off with this palette, which is the Confidence palette. And again, my eyes are already primed and everything, like they're ready to rock and roll here. I'm going to take just this large fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M504 brush. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Winning, and it's just a blank like bone shadow, and I'm going to pop that onto my eyes. You guys know I love a good bone eyeshadow to start. It kind of highlights the brow bone. I'm going to take this Sigma E25 brush. It's stained green for the rest of its life. I'm going to take Fireside here. I haven't swatched this one yet, so I don't know. Ooh, that's pretty and pigmented. We like a pigmented shadow. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this literally from the outer corner to the inner corner here. We're just going to pat this on and see what happens. I don't really know how these shadows blend out, so we're just taking a chance here. There's a little bit of fallout, but it's not like crazy. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild blending brush. I'm trying to use different brushes, and I'm going to take a combination of this shade, which is Switch, and a combination of Secure, which is this orangey shade. Let's see what we can get here. And we're going to pop this into the upper crease here. Shadows are actually blending out really nicely, so I'm very impressed. So I'm going to go back in with that Fireside shade, which is that first shade that we use, and we're going to kind of pack this on here. I'm going to go ahead and start adding some color to my lower lash line. So I'm going to take this flat side, and I'm going to take that shade Fireside, and we're going to just run that on our lower lash line. I don't exactly know what my lower lash line I want to look like. I'm going to go into this Legendary shade right here, which is a beautiful green. It's like an olivey toned green. Okay, I'm going to take some spray here. This is just a Milani spray. I'm going to spray that brush. I'm liking this color combo. I don't like it with the background. Not at all. We're going to get probably a lot of fallout from blending right now, but that's okay. I kind of want the bottom to be a little bit darker and deeper, so I'm going to go in with the shade Bombshell, which is this brown right here. Little flat brush. This is just a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to take that brown, and we're going to pop that on the lower lash line. I think I want to run some of that same greenish shade on my lower lash line, so I'm going to go in with that same Morphe brush that we used for the brown, and I'm going to take a little bit of that shade, and I'm going to also spray that. So I'm going to go ahead and take a brow bone highlight. I'm going to take the color Mascot, which is this beautiful shade right here. It's like a gold shade, and we're going to use this to highlight. And we're going to pop this right in the inner corner, kind of like going up into that green shade. I'm going to take just a little bit of black liner. This is Tight Line Black by Pixie. Highlight. I'm going to go ahead and use Makeup Geek. So for highlight today, I'm going to try out the Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metals palette. I can't even speak right now. And I'm going to use this highlighting shade. I don't know what it's going to look like. I don't know if it's super glittery. I don't know if it's super powdery. But we're going to try it out because I really want to use it. So I'm going to take this Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter. This is an F03. I'm going to try a different brush. I'm going to try like a fluffier type of brush and see what that does for us. So this is the Anastasia A23 brush. I'm just going to take some of that and just blend. Ooh, that's bright. I'm actually kind of wanting to use a little bit of this on my brow bone, even though I have a whole bunch of highlight. I want this to be like super highlighty. So I'm going to start off my lips with MAC's Stripdown Lip Liner. I got this super nude from Sephora, which is my favorite nude liquid lipstick. I feel like I need something a little more on the orangey side. Alright, so I'm taking Dose of Colors. This should be in Knock on Wood. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give my face a spray. This is the Too Faced Hangover Spray. I don't know what it is called. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this look. I'm so excited I was able to use one single palette for this entire eye look, and on top of that, it's very affordable. You guys should definitely let me know if you guys have used Profusion Cosmetics or if you guys have actually heard of them, because I've never heard of them before. I'm definitely going to pick up some more of their palettes because I'm just so blown away by it, and I feel good. Like, I literally feel so good about this makeup look that it's insane. If you guys want to see more like tutorials with this, more reviews on this brand, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see on my channel. I'm always looking for great suggestions from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. You know the drill. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Again, it will be linked down below for you guys. And lastly, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week or weekend, whichever we are in. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.